How to verify phone number in Google Meet. Google Meet itself doesn't directly ask for phone verification. Phone number verification is linked to your Google account. Open Google Meet and at the top right corner, you should see your account. Click on that. Also, if you have added and verified your number on your Google account, then you don't need to do this step. Here, as you can see, for this email, phone number hasn't been added, so you can simply click on add your phone number. After that, you will land to this kind of interface. Here you can type in your phone number and add it. You can also do this directly while opening your Google account or after you have opened the account. Click on the three-line icon at the top left corner and go to settings. From here also you can add your phone number. If you want to add it directly to your Google account, then you will need to go to your web browser. Open your web browser on your device, then go to myaccount.google.com. This will open your account, and by going to personal info, you can select your contact info and verify your phone number. That's all for today. Thank you.